In this lesson, we will discuss how to install Red Hat Linux. There are many ways to install Linux, but in this lesson, I will use a DVD to install the operating system. First, insert the DVD in the DVD drive of the computer and boot the system. After booting the system, we can see the installation welcome screen of Red Hat Linux. On that screen, there are many options like Install or Upgrade, Install System with video drivers. Please select Install or Upgrade in order to proceed with the installation. After that, we can see the Disk Found screen. On that screen, it will ask us to check the media. Here, we can press the Skip button to proceed further. Click the Next button to proceed with the installation. Select the language as per your preferences. Here, I am using English as the language. Click Next to proceed further. Click Next again to proceed further. In this step, we can see two options. One is Basic Storage Device, and the second one is Specialized Storage Device. Please use Basic Storage Device and click Next. It will prompt you to format the hard disk. Click Yes, discard any data to format the hard disk. In this step, please enter the host name. I am using CHRE01 as the host name, and click Next to proceed further. Select the time zone to continue. Here, I am using American time. Then click Next. Please enter the root password and confirm it. Click Next. It says we have chosen a weak password. We can click Use Anyway. Here, we can see many options. Please use Replace Existing Linux Systems and click Next. Click on Write Changes to Disk to proceed further. It will create the different file systems in order to install the operating system. Here, we can see many options. I am using Desktop as my option to install the operating system. Press Next to proceed further. After that, it will proceed with installation. Depending on the system hardware, it will take some time to install the operating system. Please monitor the installation. If the machine has a lot of memory and a fast processor, the installation will complete in a couple of minutes. For this desktop installation, the total number of packages it needs to install is 1,108. We can see on the left side at the bottom the installation packages. After installing the packages, we need to reboot the machine manually. Click on Reboot to proceed further. We can change a few settings in this module. Just click Forward to proceed further. You need to accept the license agreement. Click Forward to proceed further. And click Forward again. Here, you need to enter a username apart from root. I am using user as the username. Then enter a password and confirm it. Please click Forward to proceed further. Click Forward. And click Finish to complete the installation. Please enter the password to log into the machine. And this is how we install Red Hat Linux on a machine. In the next lesson, we will discuss Red Hat Linux Desktop.